everyone. We're back at Akron Children's Hospital for Wren's second hearing test, which hopefully she passes. And then we have an appointment with developmental pediatrics right after that. Yay! To check in because Wren started Ritalin and we have to see how it's doing with her. And I think it's doing pretty good. So, yeah, follow along with us. How many times do we come to this parking lot a week? Well, 1 to twice. The counter there, like next to the sink.
No, this isn't going away like it's supposed to.
Where are we gonna go now?
Dr. Shimi.
Yes. Are you bored?
Yeah, I am, Mom. Then you have my book. Then you have nothing. I can't read.
Why do you not have your book?
Because I don't know how reading.
Did you bring your book?
No.
Is that why you don't have your book?
No.
Really? Did somebody steal it from you after you brought it?
No.
Then why do you not have your book?
Because I bought body, wash your hand, you talk, guys. Oh, no.
So you got distracted.
Yeah, I am.
You are distracted. Yeah, that happens.
You really want? I know. My big plan. I should come
What's
home.
your big plan?
I should come home and tell home. And that's surprise. Big surprise. Should I come reading? Yeah, well, very hard now.
You got a big surprise when you get home?
Huge.
Huh. So all done with appointments and back home in my loud house. And more questions, more referrals, always. Wren has very mild hearing loss in one tone. 2 of the tones are borderline and 1 is okay. So they want to see her back in a year for another hearing test, and they want her to see an ENT because she has ridiculously small ear canals, and they want to see if the ENT wants to have her fitted for hearing aids or what. So I have to make a call for that referral. So yeah, that's what happened there. And then we went straight over, like we're in a rush, over to her developmental pediatrician. That appointment went well. I love her developmental pediatrician. She's wonderful. She was checking in because she had started Wren on Ritalin for her ADD, and it's actually been incredibly effective, and she's had no negative side effects. So she was checking in on that, the dose, possible side effects. She also wanted to know what had happened at the audiology appointment, so I clued her in there, and she's the one that gave the referral to ENT for me, but though the audiologist was recommending it. And she wants to see her back in 3 months just to recheck how she's doing with the Ritalin and make sure that she's gets into psychology to do a full testing, which we already are scheduled in August. So I think we'll come see her. It's actually 4 months. She said come back in 3 months, but they didn't have an appointment. And it's perfect because it's like right after, like 2 weeks after her psychology report is going to be done. So we'll be able to take that to the pediatrician and talk to her about that. So yeah, some answers, some questions, and more referrals. That's pretty much what every single doctor's appointment that I've ever been to with Wren or Hannah is like. But yeah.
So look at the camera. Everybody, let's go!